Number 12 says which is equivalent to x. And so since we're looking at a triangle, basically we're just solving for x. Another phrase to say this problem is to solve for x. So in terms of the angle labeled 30 degrees, x, and 62, the relationship is this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse for this angle. And so we're looking for x, and we can set up the angle 30 degrees with the ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse. And adjacent over hypotenuse, we know that that is the sine. So using sine, it is actually cosine. So cosine is adjacent of hypotenuse. So the cosine of 30 degrees is actually equal to x over 62. And so using proportions to cross multiply, we have x times 1, which is x, equals 62 times the cosine of 30 degrees. And we can actually either use the ratio to find the exact answer, or we can punch this into the calculator. If we use the calculator, we would get approximately x is 53.7. Or we can find the exact answer using the ratio for a 30, 60, 90, which is again 1, radical 3, and 2. So since we're looking for the cosine of 30 degrees, that would be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is radical 3 over 2, and substituting that back into the original equation right here, which we have already, 62 times radical 3 over 2, we can simplify that. 2 goes into 62 31 times, and the exact answer is 31 radical 3. And if you evaluate that with a calculator, it has the same exact value as equivalent to 53.7. So both of these answers are acceptable.